Hey guys, welcome to Project Todd, and today we're replacing my white silver stock mirror caps with these gloss black mirror caps I got on AliExpress.com. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is you're going to make your mirror get as far turned into you as possible. And you're going to take your fingers as far back in here as you can. You want to just tool on the edge here because you could crack the glass or the mirror. Just take it. And I'm just going to pop it right out. And then there's going to be two little wires on here. Got a blue and a red one. See, this one, the red's going to go on the right side, so remember that. Red's on the right. The other side's going to be opposite. Alright guys, there's two clips here. See, there's one right here. There's one right there. You just use a flat screwdriver. Just pop it down. The same with the other side. And you should just be able to pull this out. And that's that. Alright, for these new mirror caps, you're going to slide them right in. It'll be a little difficult to get them lined up. And then the side you might have to kind of like push out a bit. Cool. Alright, so I said red on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and put this clip right back on there. Oh, fucker. Then put this one on here. There are some wiring little clips, you can throw it on there. And this should just snap right back into place. There we go. Boom. Hey, if you guys like this video, be sure to hit subscribe.